The third signing for Krobia Sante Kotoko has been confirmed. The first goalkeeper among the signings are officially Kotoko are confirming. Goalkeeper Mohammed Camera. Goalkeeper no Ephraim for details and more. Ewa yede bro ewofia. Say no o count here. Kotoko assign players baako mienu miensan na numensian so otwen kono do 10 players and a Kotoko assigned aka 1 per na say aye starting 11 na ye twen say Kotoko ebe sign be 2 bi aka ho na akoye 12 or 13 at most 13 players and no na metiti goalkeeper no and that screen so ye friend no Mohammed Camera yes ofri Guinea ehona na ofri ba ya obebo amakrobia nti goalkeeper ye friend Frederick Asare wanya competition pa kwan a Kotoko fa so welcome goalkeeper no ewa ha mere bro ewo fia Kumasi Asante Kotoko new goalkeeper from Guinea and that screen so no Frederick Asare was a alternate no but it's all good football there. At least you should have 2 best goalkeepers and we goalkeeper ya we when stage out the screen is what young Kodasem or be massive competition pa. Kumasi Asante Kotoko not too long ago and confirm a deal with the social media handle of the club Kumasi Asante Kotoko Football Club and our Troy we don't say bienvenue mo welcome mo bente Frenchness about the son of actually welcome mo. Asante Kotoko is pleased to announce the signing of goalkeeper Mohammed Camera and now hashtag Mo Sheri Mo is here no we English Mo is here and hashtag Asante Kotoko SC fabulous census and now hashtag Fabu census and no they are welcoming every nti say Frederick Asare yewo Mohammed Camera nti match day squad no Kotoko come matcha obete say goalkeepers ne Frederick Asare Mohammed Camera yes zire menyesho say Kotoko be kwa ko goalkeeper bia in the Ghana league no and we also do no it is going off because Fatau said at least goalkeepers miensa Fatau said the young goalkeeper Frederick Asare and then Mohammed no should be enough for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to be very honest. I think say Kotoko here goalkeeper biabium even though say goalkeepers 2 in the free Kotoko twice more say and Dan lad in the free but I think we should only stick with one goalkeeper ya Kofana Bay now Fatau Sedu and Frederick Asare then Camera and